Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Students of Standard 5th are welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, we are going to start with Mathematics Word Problem Set 14, 8, 9 and 10th sum. We will be completing today this word problem. Students, let's start with the 8th sum word problem as given on the blackboard. The population of a village is 5,473. What is the total population of 627 such villages? We have to multiply 5,473 into 627 so that we can get the exact population or the total population of villages. Let's start with the solution. As you can see, I have underlined 5,473 multiplied by 627 to find out the exact or total population of villages. We are going to solve this word problem. The population of one village is 5,473. Now we have to find the population of the total population of 627 villages. The population of 627 villages, we have to find it out. So we are going to multiply 5,473 into 627. See here, 627 multiplied by 5,473. 3 digits number, 4 digits number. So first we are going to multiply 7 3s are, 7 7s are, 7 4s are and 7 5s are. 7 3s are is 21, 2 carried up, 1 written down. 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 2 becomes 51, 5 carried up, 1 written down. 7 4s are is 28, 28 plus 5 is 33, so 3 writing down and 3 carried up. 7 5s is 35, 35 plus 3 becomes 38. So we are going to write over here as 38. Now we are going to multiply with 2 which is standing in the tens place. So 0. So 2 3s becomes 6, 2 7s becomes 14, 1 carried up, 4 written down. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9 and 2 5s it becomes 10. Now we are going to multiply with 6 which is in hundreds place. So we are writing over here units ka 0, tens ka 0. Then we are to multiply 6 3s are. 6 3s is 18, 1 carried up, 8 written down. 6 7s is 42, 4 carried up, 2 written down. 6 4s is 28, 28 plus 4 becomes 32, 3 written up, 2 carried down. 6 5s is in with 6 3s before that we have to write 0. This is unit 0, this is tens 0. Then we are going to do 6 3s that becomes 18, 1 carried up, 8 returned down. Then 6 7s is 42, 42 plus 1 becomes 43. 3 carried, 3 returned down, 4 carried up. 6 4s is 24, 24 plus 4 becomes 28. So 2 carried up, 8 returned down. 6 5s is 30, 30 plus 2 becomes 32. And we are going to add. Let's do the addition. 1 7, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 becomes 15, 5 written down, 1 carried up, 9 plus 8 becomes 17, 17 plus 3 becomes 20, 20 plus 1 becomes 21. So 1 carried up, 2 written, 2 carry forward, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 2 becomes 13, 3 written down, 1 carried up, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 plus 1 becomes 4 and no numbers, so directly 3. So the answer is 34,31,571. So this we are going to write it in the statement. The total population is, so we got the answer as the total population is 34,31,571. We have multiplied 5,473. That was the population of one village. We have to find out the population of 627 villages and we have got the answer as 34,31,571. We have multiplied and then added and we got the total population, that is 34,31,571. Now students, let's start with the 9th solution, word problem. Students, let's start with the word problem, the 9th solution. Find the product of the biggest 4-digit number and the biggest 3-digit number. They have not given the numbers over here. They have told us to find the product. Product means multiplication. The biggest 4-digit number and the biggest 3-digit numbers. If you can see the biggest 4-digit number, we have to find the product, that means multiplication, and the biggest 3-digit number. So we know the numbers very well. The biggest 4-digit number is 9,999 and 3 digits biggest number is 999. Now when we multiply 9,999 into 999, let's see what's the final answer. That is the final product. So we will be writing the biggest 4-digit number is the 4-digit number is 9,999. Now we are going to write the biggest 3-digit number is. The biggest 3-digit number is 999. Now we have to multiply and let's see what is the final product. What will get the final answer. So we have to multiply. So 9,999 into 999. First 9 nines are 81. 9 into 9 becomes 81. Okay. So 8 written, 8 carried up, 1 written down. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 becomes 89. So 8 carried up, 89. 8 carried up, 9 written down. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 becomes 89. 9 down, 8 carried up. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 becomes 89. So we have got the answer as 8. Now 9 is standing in the tens place. 9 is standing in the tens place. So we are going to write over here 0. And we are going to write the same numbers because numbers have not been changed. So we will be writing 1 here, 9, 9, 9, and 8. Okay, now we are going to do the next solution, which is of 9, which is standing in the hundreds place. So this becomes unit 0, this becomes tens 0, and we have to write in the reverse direction, ulta direction. 1, 9, 9, 9, and this is 8, and we are going to add. Even if you do it once, even if you are multiplying this, 9 9s are 81, the same answer is going to repeat in the tens place and in the hundreds value also. So let's start adding. So 1, this becomes 10, 1 carried, 9 plus 9 becomes 18, 18 plus 1 becomes 19, 19 plus 1 becomes 20, 2 carried up, 27, 27 plus 2 becomes 29, 2 carried up again, 9 9s are 18, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 8 becomes 26, 26 plus 2 becomes 28, 2 carried up, 8 written down, 9 plus 8 becomes 17, 17 plus 2 becomes 19, 9 down, 1 carried up, 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So the final answer we got is 89 lakhs 89,001. So we got the final answer as, the final answer, the final product will be 99 lakhs 89,001. I hope so. This was the most easiest solution. Okay, because digits which are up, the same digits which are down, so we have got directly the answer. Now let's start with the 10th solution. Okay, students, this is the last word problem for multiplication, the 10th one. The cost per traveller for a certain journey is rupees 7,650. What will be the cost of 26 travellers for such a journey? Now they have given the cost of per traveller. Per means 1, and per traveller's cost is rupees 7,650. What we have to find out? We have to find the cost for 26 travellers. What will be the total cost of the journey if 26 travellers are going to go for the journey? So we have to multiply 7,650 into 26 and we will get the final answer. So we multiply 7,650 into 26. We have to find out the cost. So we have to write the cost of per traveller and the cost of 26 travellers. The cost of per traveller is rupees 7,600. So we have written the cost of per traveller is 7,650. Therefore, the cost of (26) travellers will be how many? Now we have to find this question's answer. So we have to multiply 7,650 into 26. So students, let's see the cost of per traveller 7,650. The cost of 26 travellers we have to find it out. So multiply into 26. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 carried up, 0 written down, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3 becomes 39. So 3 carried up, 9 written down, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3 becomes 45. This 0 which is for the units place, and we have to multiply 2 which is standing in the tens place. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 carried up, 0 written down, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 becomes 13, 3 written down, 1 carried up, 2 7s are is 14, 14 plus 1 becomes 15. We have to add. We'll get the final answer. The final answer will be 0, 0, 9, 5 plus 3 becomes 8, 4 plus 5 becomes 9 and 1. So the final answer is 1,98,900. So what will be the cost of 26 travelers for a journey? It will be 1,98,900. So this we will be writing in the statement. So the answer will be, the cost for 26 travelers will be, or you can even write as, the total cost will be rupees 1,98,900. So students, here we have finished with the problem set number 14 with the word problems. I hope so you must have understood this. Now let's start with the next part, that is called as division. Thank you everyone. In the next video, I will be uploading the division of the next part of the lesson. So please watch the next video of division.